In principle, vehicles naturally belong on the road, but for inspection, maintenance, or repair, they sometimes have to be lifted. Lifting, easily said, but it involves vehicles that weigh thousands of pounds, are extremely expensive, and are sometimes 32 or 65 feet long. Placed in that perspective, lifting takes on a very special meaning. We have to place high demands on systems that make lifting possible. Stertil Koni designs and manufactures just such systems in various configurations for all kinds of applications. Although different in terms of design, function, and lifting power, they all have the same characteristics: high quality, a long working life, and a high safety level. Stertil Koni is the world market leader for mobile lifting columns. Quite logical when you consider their unique characteristics. Stertil Koni mobile lifting columns can be extremely easily relocated by a single operator. Thanks to the combination of the pallet truck mechanism and the patented gas spring construction, each lifting column has the best possible automatic protection against overloading. Should an operator leave a column in the transport position during raising, the safety measures are automatically activated. The columns are equipped with synthetic runner wheels. These ensure the pressure on the floor is considerably lower than systems using metal wheels. The work floor also remains undamaged thanks to these synthetic wheels. Stertil Koni uses a hydraulic lifting system, as this offers many advantages compared to a mechanical screw spindle system. What's more, the hydraulic system has an overload safety system, which is impossible with a mechanical screw spindle system. The hydraulic system is substantially faster and uses considerably less energy. The motor is only used during the lifting cycle. Consequently, lowering is also much quicker. You can even choose different lowering speeds. Other advantages are less wear, therefore less maintenance than a spindle system, and the fact that the vehicle can always be lowered, even in the event of a power failure. Stertil Koni employs a guidance system with self-lubricating running wheels in the lifting column, which require no maintenance and which, after thousands of raising and lowering cycles, still work perfectly. This Stertil Koni system has a lifelong guarantee. The columns have been designed to lift practically every current and future vehicle. Therefore, the pickup fork has a standard length of 14 inches. So vehicles with super single drive axle tires can be easily lifted. Safety is naturally of vital importance when working with lifting columns. Stertil Koni has developed a patented mechanical locking system, which operates completely independently from the hydraulic system. The locking mechanism is always active thanks to gravity, and therefore safety is guaranteed under all circumstances, including an electrical failure. The maximum height can be adjusted to the headroom in the workspace. This prevents the top of the vehicle from coming into contact with the roof or other obstacles and being damaged. Stertil Koni also has designed the lifting column to protect the vehicle, so there is always sufficient distance between the vehicle and the column. Even if the vehicle tilts, for example, due to a defective air suspension, it will not come into contact with the lifting column. Usually 4 columns are used, but when these are insufficient, more columns can be easily added, up to a maximum of 28. This standard option is a unique characteristic of the patented multi-master system used by Stertil Koni. The lifting system can be operated from any lifting column. As all the lifting columns communicate with each other via the electronically driven synchronization system, they all remain at the same level, both during raising and lowering. This is still the case even with an uneven weight distribution. Stertil Koni mobile lifting columns are available with 4 different capacities. One version with a lifting capacity of 13,000 pounds per column, one with a lifting capacity of 16,000 pounds per column, and one with a lifting capacity of 18,000 pounds per column. Finally, there's an extra heavy-duty version for loads up to 40,000 pounds per column. Besides this, Stertil Koni can produce completely customer-specific versions. The parts of each lifting column are welded with the greatest care in the Stertil Koni factory, and then assembled to include the hydraulic system and the other components, such as the self-lubricating running wheels and the control system requested by the customer. After assembly, all mobile lifting columns are extensively tested in a hydraulic test unit before leaving the factory. Customers are therefore 100% certain their products are reliable, completely safe, and in excellent working order. All these qualities ensure that Stertil Koni mobile lifting columns offer the best price-quality ratio on the market. And that is the reason for the worldwide success of Stertil Koni.